Hello viewers, so this one is another new maths problem that I want us to solve within the shortest time possible. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So we have a to the power of a multiplied by a to the power of a is equals to 32. So how else do we solve this maths problem? So if you know how to solve it out, please don't forget to leave us your answer in the comment section. So let's now start with the solution. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So now 8 to the power of a, then multiply by 8 to the power of a, the result is 32. So what is the value for a? So let's recall, when you have a multiplied by m, when you have a to the power of m, then also multiplied by a to the power of n. So this one can also be worked at a to the power of m plus n. So reason that when you work out this one, now we shall have a to the power of a, then multiply by a to the power of a, we shall have a to the power of a, then into bracket 2. So that now a multiplied by 2, we shall have a to the power of 2a. So the result here is now is equals to a to the power of 2a. So that is to mean that 8 to the power of 2a is equals to 32. So how now do we work it out? So in this state now, we shall now change this maths problem to the log now. So we shall introduce the log from both sides by now taking the log of 8 to the power of 2a is equals to the log of 32. So here now, we can recall that assume we have the log of p to the power of m. This one can also be written as m, the log of p. So in this case now, we shall now have 2a, so 2a log 8 is equals to the log of 32. So that now we divide both sides by the log of 8. So this side also by the log of 8. So log 8 and log 8 shall cancel, so that now our 2a, so here 2a is equals to the log of 32 all over the log of 8. So we don't stop here, we can still factorize this maths problem by now having 2a here is equals to, so the log of 32 can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 8. So 4 multiplied by 8, then we can put them into bracket all over the log of 8. So in this case now we shall say that, so let's now assume that we have the log of a multiplied by b. So the one can be written as the log of a plus again the log of b. So here now our 2a is equals to, so now we shall have the log of 4 plus the log of 8, then all over the log of 8. So next our 2a, so next we shall now have our 2a to be now is equals to, so the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2 plus the log of 8 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 3 all over, so the log of 8 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 3. So here now our 2a, so our 2a is equals to, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2, the log of 2, then we shall divide both sides by the log of 2 to the power of 3, that is, can also be written as 3 the log of 2, then plus, here we shall also have 3 log 2, then all over 3 log 2, so 3 the log of 2, because we shall divide both sides by the log of 2 to the power of 3, that now can be written as 3 the log of 2. So let's now simplify the ones that you can simplify. So here now our 2a is equals to, so this one now shall have as 2 over 3, because the log 2 and log 2 shall cancel, then now 3 log 2 and 3 log 2 shall also cancel with each other. So now we shall remain with 2a is equals to 2 over 3. So how else now do we now get the value for a? So for us to get the value for a, we shall now put this one over 1. Then we shall multiply both sides by, so we shall multiply both sides by a half. Then so multiply by 1 over 2. So this side also we shall also multiply by 1 over 2. So that 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now we shall have a is equals to 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2. So now what is the result in this case? So a is equals to, so 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 all over 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So that now when we cancel this one, so 2 here once, 2 into 6, 3 times. So now our value for a in this case, so our a stands to be 1 over 3. And that now qualifies to be our correct answer. So I hope you've enjoyed working out this maths problem and we've worked it out together. So this one is the correct formula of working it out. So please do remember to subscribe to this channel and let's check each other in our next video. Bye bye.